Now here's the magic with a magnet. We put on the flat area there. That's a bump out there. These are the units. I'm not going to bother telling you a brand name or anything because different sellers sell them, and I don't know that they're all the same brand name. They may all be made by the same manufacturer in China, but this box contains four LED replacements for 4-foot tubes. And I'll show you here is for one. You notice here we have, each one has a pigtail. They're just little tubes, plastic. They have an eyelet to mount it, or alternately magnets there. In the middle, magnets. They're fairly strong magnets, so they can adhere to your fixture, or you could use screws. So those are the actual tubes. Get these out because the transformers are in the bottom. For each kit we get some MAR connectors. This is the ballast for the 2-lamp system. And I won't bother giving you the particulars because I don't know that, well, you look for the best source you can find, but just look for 4-foot LED troffer is sometimes in the title, but 4-foot LED replacement kit for fluorescent. And it has magnets for mounting here. This is a lighter transformer than for a 4-lamp kit. This one's meant for the 2-lamp kit. This is the business end where you go out to your lamps, and they supply a 1:2 for the lamps. This is for dimming. One's positive, one's negative, and it's for a 10-volt DC command signal for dimming. So you'd have to have a switch. Basically, so you can give it a source, 0 to 10 volts. I presume 10 volts would give you maximum brightness, and 0 would be less, but we're not going to be using that. We'll just be on-off with switched power, and your switched power goes into here. So you remove your ballast, and your power that was originally into your fluorescent ballast will be attached here with MAR connectors. So it's UL listed. You know, all 4 go there, 4 into 1.
And it was a little puncture. I could see it up there. And they had some of that, the roof tower type stuff.
Yes.
They had that, so I've used that, and it seems to be fine. So I'm glad that's all it seems to be.
Oops. That's the connector. Okay, so that removes there. The lens in the center guard. So what I'm going to do remove that. Ballast is disconnected. I could bring my side cutters. Oh, they come out. They just pop out. If I can get screws. Okay. Never be used as a fluorescent fixture again. And there it is. Oh, what screw head is on that? Oh, it's a nut. The nut fell off. Very simply, we locate the tubes. Actually, I'm just going to temporarily locate the tubes so I know where to put the harness. Hook up the harness. The second one, first one. Okay. We're going to hook up the ballast. We've got the length, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip this back just a little bit so I have a little more length to work with. Put on the bar connector. Just to be secure, I'll throw some tape on just in case there's any, well, I've done different things. Okay, so, mark connectors are secure. I don't think I will need to tape that. Okay, we dress that, put it right here. Now here's the magic with a magnet. We put on a flat area there. That's a bump out there. Boom, right there. And we make the final connection. My bifocals work the wrong way. There we go. Now we can test. Boom.
Boy, look at that.
Good? Okay, so now we'll position those after we put the cover on. Put a little electrical tape on to just hold this in place. I'll tape these dimmer things. I don't think it makes a difference. If there's no potential across them, it won't do any dimming or otherwise. So it's temporary. We'll go in under the trough. I think that's what they call them, troffer. T-R-O-F-F-E-R. I'm not sure, but what is the trough, the entire fixture? I do not know. I wrote the wires. This just flexes into place. We hook it on one side, get the wires out of the way, so we're not pinching anything. And you press. Now these, we're going to go this way. Actually, we'll go this way, and I think the diffuser, I think we will leave them here. So we'll face into here. Yeah. You can play with the location if the light is too, is not diffusing properly. Tuck that in. Larry, turn the light on, please. Okay. That's one down, and we've got one more to do over here, and that will be it. So that's an instant on, pretty much instant on.
It's almost on before you flick the switch.
Almost on before we flick the switch off, on, and it'll stay that brightness over the life of the fluorescent. You won't get the hey, it's kind of brown, we should change the bulb, let's get the get some more life out of the bulb, or do we have to change the transformer? And you don't have to worry about that. So that's it.